to open a restaurant, would it be wise to do one or the other? Or could you have both? Could you serve both? But one day you're gonna do meat, and then the next day you're gonna do dairy. 2 days in a row you do meat. 2 days in a row you do dairy.
No. Nobody would allow you to do that. No, absolutely not. You have to choose. No. There is no switching. You see, in order to make a restaurant, for example, somebody bought this restaurant. Let's say, right? Somebody bought this restaurant, and whatever, non-kosher. So he has to kosher all the things. It's going to take some time, and it's some of the things of kosher things are actually dangerous. So, but to buy new equipment is very expensive, very, very expensive. Like commercial, I mean, you buy your gas range. It's, I don't know, like simple one. I don't know, $400, $500. You buy good stuff. Maybe I don't know. I bought myself a long time ago. But okay, let's say I don't know, $600. But you get the good stuff. But you buy commercial, it's thousands. You understand? So that's the issue. That's the issue. Where people try to kosher, and it's like it is a torch, like there is greets and stuff like that. That's nobody's going to do it. Understand? So we don't kosher from milk to. So you have to decide, it's milk or meat, and just proceed. And as I said last time, it does not matter. The people charge for this milk, which is much cheaper than meat, almost the same money. Almost like they make good money in this restaurant or that restaurant. But the thing is to keep your name kosher. Your name so people would come and they trust you that you keep the highest level of kashrut, very, very strict. You understand? So if you need to throw out things because it's questionable, so you're going to do it. There is no doubt I'm going to lose money, nobody's going to find out, it's only me and my wife. No. You're afraid of HaShem. So, and if you like that, you will be successful, doesn't matter. It's you meet or daily. Okay, so any other questions?